Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Pheona Nabasa. I'm the Vice President, Uganda Law Society. We are very concerned as advocates about COVID-19, and we extend our condolences to those that are sick, and we implore the country to continue observing all the recommendations of the Ministry of Health in order to ensure that this pandemic is dealt with. We also applaud government and its efforts to fight this problem, and we also applaud the Ministry of Health and all their officers for their brave and courageous work that they're doing. As the Law Society, we just have a few concerns. One has been, of course, the human rights violations in light of the way people are being treated on the streets when they're found. Some of the people that are not being allowed to go to hospitals when they have due cause. So we implore our officers to, as they endeavor to ensure that people respect the law and the regulations that have been submitted, that they respect people's human rights. However, we are also very concerned that much as the courts have been allowed to be much as the courts have been allowed to remain operational, especially as regards emergency issues, we are concerned because the advocates that are supposed to practice and are supposed to file these issues with the registries, that are supposed to execute their mandate with their clients, have been stopped from this because they've not been given the exception, like the court services, as essential services. Why do we believe that it's essential? It's a constitutional right for everybody to have representation. This is a time that there will be a lot of incarceration because people are still breaking the law. They need representation. Unless there is a state of emergency, there is no way we can detain people without giving them bail or without giving them a right to a fair hearing. So much as we might be arresting people and continuing to observe the law, we will need them to get representation. We are also concerned because our advocates have contracts of service with their employers, and these are now going to result into professional misconduct suits. But very, very importantly, we need our advocates to file and protect the rights of people that are being affected. There are executions that are going to continue going on. Executions mean someone might sell your house because of a judgment, because the courts are continuing. But you cannot protect yourself from this without an advocate to file an appeal or to file a stay of execution. We implore government. We know that it is very important for us not to just be on the roads, not to expose people. But as the Law Society, we implore government. We have written to the Prime Minister and we have not yet received a response, to include legal services as essential services so that advocates can be allowed to move to the courts and perform their duties. We have issues of human rights violations. We have issues of family law. We have issues of domestic abuse. There's a lot of gender-based violence. And as the Law Society, our officers are unable to move to help these people from the legal aid clinics. So we are asking and appealing once again to government to reconsider this and to provide a comprehensive approach to this issue while allowing advocates to do their work. We are ready to go to the Ministry of Health for these passes if they're given to advocates, and we commit as a Law Society to ensure that we shall continue imploring our members to exercise social distancing. Thank you very much.